Sometimes I still can't believe this is our life now.
I remember when we used to talk about this.
Just dreams back then. You worked so hard for this, Emeka. Long nights, no complaints.
I did it for us, for our family. Peace is worth more than comfort.
I feel safe here with you.
As long as I breathe, nothing will shake this home.
You know your brother called again yesterday.
Chinedu, I worry about him. Life back home is hard.
You've always had a good heart.
Family is everything, Amara. If I can help him, I will. Emeka believed that love, sacrifice, and blood were enough to hold a family together. Life back home is not easy. I'm grateful you called me here. I won't disappoint you, Emeka. I promise. Just focus on school. I'll handle the rest. So this is your life now. Nice apartment, beautiful wife. God has been faithful. And Amara, she's my peace.
That day, Emeka opened not just his home, but his heart. He didn't know he was welcoming the storm.
Welcome to my home, my brother. Thank you, Emeka. It means a lot. These are your school registration papers. I've already paid the first semester. You paid everything? Accommodation too. You won't struggle here. This is for your transport and food until you settle. Brother, I don't even know what to say. You don't need to say anything. Just make me proud.
It's a big opportunity, Chinedu. Not everyone gets this chance.
I know. I'm very lucky. This house is your house. But remember, discipline first. Germany is not Nigeria. I'll adjust fast. Don't worry about me. We are family. We rise together.
Gratitude was on Chinedu's lips, but something else was growing in his heart.
Amara, you look tired these days.
I'm fine, Chinedu. Just thinking a lot.
Thinking about what, Germany or your life here?
Sometimes I miss home. Everything feels different here. Cold, quiet.
You deserve more than Kwaka. You deserve excitement, attention.
Emeka works very hard for us. That is his way of loving.
Working is not the same as being present.
What are you trying to say?
I see you, Amara. I see how lonely you feel sometimes.
Chinedu, you are his brother.
And I am also a man.
This is not right.
Feelings don't ask what is right, they just happen.
You should not speak like this again.
You cannot tell me you have not felt something.
This conversation is over.
Everything begins with a small seed. You've been avoiding me.
I think that's best.
For who? You? Or your conscience?
What we spoke about was wrong.
Was it wrong or was it honest?
You're his brother.
And I'm also the one who sees you when he doesn't.
Emeka loves me.
He provides. That's different. When was the last time he looked at you the way I'm looking at you now?
Stop.
If you want me to stop, I will.
This is a mistake.
Then let it be our mistake.
Loneliness can be louder than loyalty. And sometimes betrayal doesn't begin with hatred. It begins with attention.
What is this?
Emeka!
Tell me that my eyes are lying. Chinedu? Chinedu? Brother, it's not. Don't be that! After everything I built for us,
It didn't mean to happen.
that won't happen. Betrayal is a choice. I fed you. I paid your fees. I gave you my home. I didn't force her. She were my blood. And you were my peace. Both of you, pack your things. Emeka, please leave my house tonight.
Emeka, please.
I opened my door to family. I will never do that again. I gave you my name, my home, my trust.
Emeka, I never meant for it to happen like this.
Like what, Amara? A mistake, an accident?
Emeka,
Don't. You've said enough with your actions.
It wasn't planned. I was confused, lonely. You were always working.
So you replace me.
No, I lost myself.
The worst part isn't the betrayal. Is that you look me in the eyes every day and lied. This is on me too. I crossed the line. You didn't cross it. You destroyed it. Go, both of you, before I remember the man I used to be.
I never stopped caring about you.
Caring isn't love. Loyalty is.
I'm sorry.
I hope one day you understand what you threw away. Some betrayals don't break your heart. They change it forever. Sometimes betrayal doesn't destroy a man. I thought losing her would break me. I thought the pain would make me bitter, angry, cold.
But pain is a teacher, and betrayal is a mirror. It showed me where I ignored the signs, where I gave too much, and where I forgot myself. He was wounded, but he was not weak. I forgive you, not because you deserve it, but because I deserve peace. A broken heart can harden a man, or it can refine him. I lost love, but I found clarity. I lost trust, but I found strength. And sometimes the greatest revenge is becoming better than you were before. I am not broken, I am rebuilt.